Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So today's video is all about having respect for those people that help you get to the top. So you finally achieved your goals, you finally managed to have a successful business, you finally, got to the best shape of your life, you finally had a career change, you finally become whatever it is that you wanted to be, to become the best version of yourself. And then now a lot of people tend to reach those points and they forget the people that helped them get there. You can't step on people that helped you get to the top. You have to still treat them with the same respect. For example, if you've now attained your business or whatever it is that you may have wanted to get, and you're thinking, I'm way more successful than my business coach, I'm way more successful than my mentor, and you almost act as if you don't need them anymore and you're not treating them with respect. You have to remember that those people gave you the experiences. As you're successful now, as much as you've reached your fitness goal, you can't then be looking down on your fitness coach. You can't be looking down on those people that helped you get there. You have to still remember that you're at the top. The same reason why people say the top is lonely is because people change when they get the success they've needed. Some people change, some you can't even recognize the person they've become because they're now successful. Because all of a sudden, I'm sure there's so many people that you can point out, and so many people that have changed because they became successful. It's because they lose respect. They start to think they're more important than those people that helped them get there. They feel like they're more important than those people that are in their lives. That's why it's lonely at the top. If you're treating people with the same respect, you will never be lonely. You always have people that care about you and people that want to see you do great, because you're still being genuine, you're still caring for those people around you, you're still treating them with the same respect. Even if it's somebody that helped you write out your business proposition, or someone that helped you stay afloat while your business wasn't making money, someone that helped you get to the top, or someone that gave you the connections, you can't burn bridges with those people, because you never know when you might need them. You're at the top now, but you never know. Life doesn't always stay the same, so you have to make sure that you're not burning bridges. You're treating people with respect, and be respectful of what they had to teach you. Fine, you may now be successful, but they taught you a lot along the way, so you can share that same experience and teach somebody else. It doesn't mean you can't then now look at them as peasants because they're not as successful as you. So it's important to make sure that you're treating people with respect, and you're not looking down on people just because of what you have, just because of where you've gotten to and they're still at the same point. You have to respect them, respect the time they gave you, respect the effort and they put into helping you get to where you are, and acknowledge all their efforts and reward them the way, not with money, but sometimes reward them with whatever matters most to them. So don't forget to be respectful and be kind to people. That doesn't cost much, it's free. Being kind always win. Just because you're the top doesn't mean that people are any less than you are. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next one.